What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your default font on a computer running the Windows 10 operating system. Let's get into it. Alright, so you want to go down to the description and copy this bunch of code, and then you want to make a new text document on your computer and paste the code within that, and then just save it. Next, what we got to do is pick the font we want to change it to. So we do that by going Format and then Font. And here we can find the font. I'm just going to change it to Sans Serif. You want to copy and paste the font name and then paste it into the place where it says desired font. So Control C to copy and then Control V to paste. Next, we want to go File and then Save As. You want to make quotation marks. Just name the file to whatever. I'm just going to say default font. And then you want to put at the end of your file name .reg and save it. You can leave it as a text document, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and save. I saved it onto my desktop. And you'll get a .reg file. You can close that now. So now you can go ahead and run that file by double clicking it. Click yes. Yes again. And then press OK. And now to see the effects of that, you need to restart your computer. And that's basically it. If it helped you, please hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button as well. Leave a comment down below if you had any troubles and I'll try to help you out. That is it from me. Peace out.